Day 10 of the Rituals Advent Calendar.
Day number 10.
It's another tree.
It says 10.
Right, so, you're, you got monkeys on it. That's gross. Right, I'm gonna guess what this one is then.
What is it then?
A tree.
Doesn't actually make any sound.
Okay, give me a hint.
Oh.
What does the little blurb
It's
say?
tube shaped.
What does the blurb say?
You're a blurb. I can't tell you because it would just tell you exactly what it is.
Okay.
I'll give you a hint. You spray it on
Perfume.
under a certain area.
Deodorant. You just told me what it is.
Antiperspirant spray.
I see. Oh! You sprayed my finger.
There you go.
Sounds nice.
Yeah.
Rituals of Sakura. Nice. There you go.
Oh.
Deodorant. Yeah, now till might stink.
Get off.
Ow.